Chairs of Harmony, a pigeonhole twist on musical setting, is a project that introduced the pigeonhole principle to the classic game of musical chairs, aiming to enhance its intellectual and strategic aspect and make it more engaging for players of all ages. The principle challenges players to think critically and strategically, blending entertainment and education. The project aims to create balance between entertainment and learning, ensuring a novel, fun, and educational game that appeals to a diverse audience.
Our project, Chairs of Harmony, a pigeonhole twist on musical setting, aims to enhance the classic game of musical chairs by incorporating the pigeonhole principle. In our modified version, chairs are uniquely colored, introducing complexity and strategy. The challenge is to integrate the pigeonhole principle seamlessly, considering factors like participant number, color chair, distribution, and music stop timing. Our goal is to create rules that make the principle evident and engaging, striking a balance between competition and educator value. This project seeks to add a mathematical twist to the traditional game, making it both entertaining and intellectually stimulating.
Hi, my name is Yesi Priscilla Anak Joni, and my metric number is X6087. I'm gonna present about the motivations. The application of the pigeonhole principle to the classic games of musical chairs presents a compelling and intriguing topic for several reasons. I state two reasons here. First, it allows participants to experience and understand the pigeonhole principle in action, providing a hands-on learning experience that can be both enjoyable and enlightening. By introducing the pigeonhole principle into the gameplay, this project encapsulates the essence of making mathematics more accessible and appealing, fostering a deeper understanding of mathematical principles in practical settings. Second, the utilization of the pigeonhole principle in a game like musical chairs injects an elements of strategic thinking and problem solving. Participants are not only engaged in the competitive aspects of the game, but are also encouraged to strategize based on mathematical probabilities. Lastly, the novelty and creativity in merging mathematical concepts like the pigeonhole principle with a traditional game like musical chairs can spark curiosity and interest in mathematics among a diverse audience. It has the potential to captivate individuals who might not typically engage with mathematical theories, offering a accessible entry point into exploring mathematical ideas through an entertaining and relatable activity.
Next, related work. From set number 1 is talk about the pigeonhole principle state that if you place more pigeon item into pigeonhole containers, then they are pigeonhole. At least one pigeonhole must contain more than one pigeon. It's a simple and practical mathematical concept applied to function mapping pigeon to pigeonhole. Next is concept number 2. The pigeonhole principle in mathematics asserts that if you have more pigeon than hole, at least one hole must contain more than one pigeon. This applies even with overlapping hole or non-integer ratios. In scenario with infinitely many pigeons in a limited number of holes, some hole must contain an infinite number of pigeons, representing an indeterminate quantity in countable holes. The website 3 explains the pigeonhole principle. If you have n pigeonhole and n plus 1 pigeon, at least one pigeonhole will have multiplied pigeons. Developed by mathematician Peter Justification Dirichlet, the principle states that with m boxes n greater than m items, at least one box must contain more than one object. Thus, website number 4 is talk about Jennifer Franklin's Nordstrom discusses an active mathematical approach to the pigeonhole principle, exploring a counting strategy between sets, items, and boxes. The principle states that if there are more object pigeons than boxes pigeonhole, at least one box must contain several items. Notably, pigeonhole problem discussed are unrelated to probability.
Our evaluation framework for shares of harmony, a pigeonhole twist on musical setting, assess key aspects of success and impact. We analyze how the pigeonhole principle can be applied to games and make sure it works effectively through meticulous observation. To measure the level of understanding and enjoyment, the participant experience is balance between education and entertainment. And feedback has been collected. We study how the dynamics of the game change and determine whether the pigeonhole principle affects the participant behavior. The pigeonhole principle must be applied correctly for the project to succeed. Proactive measures addresses potential challenges, ensuring a detailed analysis of outcomes. In summary, our framework offers a comprehensive understanding of how our unique twists enhance the traditional game, encouraging enjoyment and learning. Next is conclusion. In concluding Shares of Harmony, a pigeonhole twist on musical setting, our project successfully fuses the traditional game of musical chairs with pigeonhole principle. By introducing uniquely colored chairs, we added complexity, challenging players strategically. The success of the project depends on how well the pigeonhole principle is implemented while maintaining an entertaining atmosphere. Chairs of Harmonies aims to be a memorable intersection of education, entertainment, and creativity, leaving a lasting impact by making mathematics accessible and enjoyable.